We had all this plowed or shoveled already, and it's already buried in. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is what I'm dealing with right now. We have about 2 feet of snow already. We just shoveled all this right here not too long ago, and it's already friggin' buried in like crap. Can't do too long of a video because it's snowing so bad that my phone's getting soaked. But yeah, welcome to Buffalo NY. I can't do a long video because my phone's getting soaked right now. But yeah, welcome to Buffalo/West Seneca. Buffalo really didn't get any. They only got like 3, 4, about 5, 6 inches. We got about 1.5 foot, about 2 feet now. Again, we just shoveled that not even like 3 minutes ago. It's already buried in. I mean, you can't really tell, but yeah. Well, see you on the next one.